Hey beautiful, today's look is all about healthy, fresh, glowing skin, perfect for every day, especially for mamas like me. If you want to know how I did it, then please keep watching. First step is skincare. Right now my skin isn't looking its best. As you can see, I have some inflammations, but that's okay. We need to clean our face first with a facial cleanser, or in my case, I'm using micellar water, which is a 4-in-1 makeup remover, cleanser, toner, and exfoliator. Then I'm using an under eye brightener very quickly, plus a lash and brow serum to prep my eyes. I'm also applying lip balm on my lips to prep them as well. Now that we have a clean face, we're going to take a few drops of essence and then pat it gently onto the skin. You can also use a crystal roller to massage and gently spread it all over your face. Next is to use an oil-based moisturizer by Linovera Oil. This was sent to me for review, so I have to be completely honest with you guys. I just used maybe a couple of sprays, about 2 to 3 times, rub it in between my hands and then pat it onto my face. I find that this is easily absorbed by the skin. However, you don't want to apply too much because it'll be too greasy, especially if you're planning to apply makeup after. It smells like peppermint, which makes it a nice product to help you relax before going to sleep. The only thing that I don't like about this is that it's in a spray bottle instead of a drop serum container. If you also want to go for that Linovera glow, Linovera Oil is available at Watson's, or check out the description box for the shop links. Off to the makeup application, I'm using a small amount of concealer to hide some blemishes, and then set it with a medium to full coverage powder. I don't really like to use foundation every day because I don't want to feel like I'm wearing pounds of makeup, so I'd rather just illuminate under the eyes, conceal some scars, and that's basically it for my base. Next is to give some color on your cheeks. This has been my go-to blush for almost a year now because it gives my face that natural flush. Then we're gonna bronze our face to have some warmth. I'm taking my Holy Grail bronzer and brushing a little bit on my cheeks, temples, nose bridge, chin, and forehead. After that, highlight your face ever so lightly with Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector using a small fluffy brush. I'm gonna quickly outline and shade my brows with my favorite brow pencil, and then set it with my favorite Fashion 21 brow set. For the lips, I'm applying my favorite lip tint as of the moment from L'Oreal. Top it off with a liquid lipstick in an ML BB shade, and then finish it off with another layer of lip tint just on the middle part for extra staying power. I applied some mascara last because I've recently had a Cara Lift treatment at Strokes Eye Beauty Studio. I'm focusing this mostly on the outer lashes to create a subtle, sexy eye effect. Lastly is to set your face with Misty Legend Care Spray, and we are done. This is my everyday healthy mama glow look, perfect for women who don't have much time to apply makeup. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!